So for you to fund your ad account, just use Mastercard because that's the best card for you to use in funding your ad account. Okay, so just head over to your Meta ads for. Please, I always make sure you fund your ad account first before you start running an advert. I did that mistake. If I refresh here, you are going to see this is the ad that we just ran, and there's no money in this ad account. Imagine. So you just need to click here where you see the setting bar here. You click on billing and payment. Okay, you click on add fund. So when you click on that, you'll be asked to choose is already tick Naira payment. So I'm going to put 35. So always put money that is ahead of what you are using to run your advert. What I use in running my advert is just 3,000, but I'm putting 35 right here. So after that, you just wait for the verification to be made and click on continue right here. So when you click on continue, you are going to see this option. So I'm just going to pause this video right here to input this, and after that, so you just need to go ahead and click on pay. Okay, so after that, they are authenticating my transaction. You just need to give it a little time to come up, and you'll be asked to input a token or an OTP. So they'll send you an OTP. Okay, while I'm okay, you just tick OTP and click on continue. So from there, an OTP will be sent to you. So let's just wait for. Okay, you can see it right here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and tick enter the code and click submit. So when I click on submit, so when I click on submit, you can see it right here. Your transaction was successfully. So that's how you can actually fund your ad account. Okay, so you can see it right here. Fund added, fund successfully added. Okay, so that's that for that, guys. So you want me to do a you want me to do a video where I do detail targeting. You know, this one I just want to advert. We did not target by interest. You just do targeting by age and location. So if you want me to do detail targeting by interest based on what you are selling, and I'll also tell you how you can if you don't know like if you don't know who to target for your advert, I'll also tell you how you can get your target audience, where you can get it, how you can get it from. Okay, so that's the end of this particular video. Do well to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.